Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today we're going to see how to use the Spearman-Brown formula to predict reliability from an already existing reliability estimate and from a number of items that we may want to add. So let's dive into it. I put here the formula. We're going to use the Spearman-Brown formula for this, and it will give us a new reliability estimate, so predicted reliability estimate from the original reliability, and also from how many new items we need. So n is not exactly how many new items we add, it's an n-fold increase. So what that means is that when n is 2, for example, that means that we're considering doubling the number of items. When n is 3, that means we consider tripling the number of items, etc., etc. If n is 0.5, that means that we consider using half the number of items. This is really all we need. And so we're going to use, as an example here, an original reliability estimate of 0.70. And we are considering doubling the number of items, which means that we have an n-fold increase of 2. So we're gonna plug in these numbers here. So I'm using Excel with no existing formula yet. So the n-fold increase here is 2. The original reliability is 0.7. And I'm going to apply this formula over here. So we have equal. I'm going to start with the numerator. At the numerator, I have the right here, the n-fold increase times the original reliability, which is what I have here. And then at the denominator, I'm going to open and close parentheses. I have 1 plus, let's type that, 1 plus, between parentheses, n minus 1. Opening and closing parentheses here. I'm going to put n minus 1. And after this parenthesis here, times the original reliability. So times the original reliability over here. So it should be good. Now when I press the return key, I should have 0.82. And you can cross-validate that with any calculator, really, or any statistical programming language like R, for example, or Python. And so hopefully we should get 0.82. So let's see. 0.82. All is fine. All right. So, well, really, that was it. Yeah, that was it. Thanks for watching.